Our first van camping trip for the spring. So this is our scene at the van campsite. This pretty stream come up through here. You got all this pretty wilderness. Check it out. See it? We're getting a fire pit ready. We're gonna cook some burgers and hot dogs on our camping trip. And we got the fur babies on the camping trip. Right there's Mothman. And here's Bigfoot. Having a good time digging a hole, Bigfoot. What's wrong, buddy? You ain't having fun? We're getting ready to grill. It's starting to take off. See it? It's almost time. Let it burn just a little bit more and we'll have us start doing the burgers. Look at that scene. It's so peaceful. The kids playing in the creek. It's pretty. Nice and calm. She's playing in the creek. Get out of that water. Kids will be kids. The fire log's burning good now, people. We gotta let all that paper burn off. Probably another 20 minutes. Let that fire die down a little bit. We can start cooking some burgers and hot dogs. The wife got this nice little grill kit, so when I'm grilling, let's check it out. I've used it once. Alright. Check it out. And they ain't even put no seasonings in here yet. Spatula, all this good stuff. On Amazon. These are the fire logs we're using. Door flame, outdoor stackable crackling fire logs. You can cook with them. It's supposed to clean, it's supposed to burn cleaner. So we're trying these out. See, just gotta let this paper burn off. Kind of puts a little black soot looking on it, but it's supposed to burn cleaner. Right now it doesn't look too much cleaner to me than regular wood. But we'll let it burn off a little bit more and see what happens. We have some Angus beef steak burgers. And we're having some classic Franks.
Come here.
Ooh, looks good.
Ruby, come here.
Got the first set of burgers on. The wife's put some seasoning on them. Ooh, look at it cook. Looks good. What kind of seasoning is that?
Hold on.
Huh?
Hold on. Buttery steakhouse and the blend.
Nice. Now we're grilling some hot dogs. Look at that beautiful view of the sunset right at this campsite. You don't get no better than that. We'll walk up here a little bit. Do a little circle through here. Pretty nice. We'll be staying here for 2 days. Let's see what's up here. Nice little stream up through here. All the campsites are empty right now. It's Easter weekend. We figured we'd do it this weekend and watch peaceful and quiet. Have the scenic view. It's really pretty up here. Pretty nice little view there, isn't it? We're all over here all by ourselves, the very last site. And over there you got all those. It's a whole other side at the other end too. We're not forgetting about the fur babies. We made them a burger each. Good. Look at the boys go. They're tearing their burger up. There's Mothman. Ooh, look at Bigfoot go. Is that good, Bigfoot? He's getting him some burger. Mothman, is that good? Look at him tear that up. He's a little dog, but he can tear some food up. That's for sure. Look how long he is. He's getting long, isn't he?
There's your burger. You better not waste it.
Is that good, Bigfoot? So we're getting ready to turn in for the night. Got a small little fire here. It's not much. Tomorrow we're going to have a nice fire. We'll stay one more night and we'll leave Sunday morning. The fire's about done burning now. Here's kind of the scene. Got some lights going on up through here. Can't really see nothing here, it's dark. But, good times. Here's some of the scene at night here. Check this out, so pretty at nighttime, isn't it? Look careful, you might see Bigfoot up in the woods somewhere. Good old times. It's pretty, isn't it? Check it out. This is what life's for, good times. Spend time with the family, out in the wilderness. Get them away from all the electronic stuff. Walking through here, through the woods. Pretty nifty. So it's peaceful out here tonight. Let me know if what you guys do. Do you guys like going car camping, van camping in the springtime? It's pretty nice. We just fired up the vehicle, get a little heat going. Yeah, we plan to do a lot of this. I think it's better, honestly, than doing stuff like going to hotels and stuff. I think more family time and, you know, this type of camping's better. Let me know what you all think. Good morning, guys. Listen to this sound I get to listen to. It's pretty. Look at this cute little butterfly on Mom. What kind of butterfly is that again?
Looks like a baby monarch. It's been in here for about 5 minutes.
Look, Mom, I got fire.
That's pretty. And it's raining on our parade. Luckily we got this piece here, the partial tent. And you can see through here, the puppies are laying in here. They don't want to get wet. Good times, always good times. Day 2, we got the grill going in the fire pit. It's starting to get dark. Get ready and do some food again. I'm grilling right now, and look, another storm's coming through. Luckily, I'm almost done. See it? It's brewing out to start raining yet, so I'm fighting to try to get this food done. Camping trip in the rain. It's loud, isn't it, people? Good times. Hey guys, it's the day 2 in the evening. I didn't get to take the drone out. It's been raining on and off. You hear the thunderstorms now. So maybe next adventure I'll be able to take it out. House that you can't get them wet. Have a good night. It's bedtime almost. See you back when we're... Oh, did you hear that? That scared the heck out of me. Woo! Well, this is the end of the camping trip. DPM Journey checking out. Until next time.